Hi, I'm Alec, this is first tutorial in song Flowers. In this video you'll find two versions of playing the song on guitar. And fingerpicking. Chords: A minor, D minor, G, and C. So and again. A minor, D minor, G and C, and pre-chorus: A minor, D minor, and E. So and chords. Chords: A minor, D minor, G, and C, and fourth time F and E. So and F, and post-chorus: A minor, D, G, and C. So and again verse. And version with capo on the 5th fret, and so chords, verse: E minor, A minor, D, and G. So chords: E minor, A minor, and B major, B. So and chorus. Chords: E minor, A minor, D, and G, and fourth time C and B. So and post-chorus. Chords: E minor, A minor, D, and G again. So, can love me better, I can love me better, baby. You can love me better, I can love me better, baby. Da 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 da. And it's all. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Good luck. Can love me better, I can love me better, baby. You can love me better, I can love me better, baby. Love me better, I can love me better, baby. Da 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 da. This is my key, yeah.